My wife did this yesterday in the snow. She went to open the truck. She says she pulled the door handle and nothing happened, and then it just broke. So no, I did not pull this off, but it shows how weak it was on. As I understand it, you pry this off, pry that panel off, and pry this up. But when you pry this off, there's going to be bolts behind there. You remove those. If there's anything else required, I will let you know, but it doesn't look like there's any external fasteners on here. You can see that panel is held on by those two end clips, and then with it off, there's a bolt there and a bolt there. They look to be about 10 millimeter. We'll see if I'm right. Those were 10 millimeter. It says to pry up. Hopefully it's not like the Crown Vic and has to be pried from a certain direction. And then it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 electrical connectors, it looks like. Press and release. That looks to be a press and release. That looks to be a press and release that needs some sort of tool to get in there to do it. There we go. And the last one looks like you have to pry that part up and not break it. Yep. That's a really dumb connector, to be honest. It's amazing that didn't break. You see, that is just held down with metal spring basic clips on there. This one pried off very easily. And you see there's a retaining bolt there. Also looks like a 10 millimeter. I can't show you on film because I have to edit out all the cuss words, but basically I just went around the sides prying, and it is on like it's cemented on or something. I mean, you're seriously going to think you're breaking stuff as you pry. I've never seen one stuck on so tightly. But once you get it going, just keep going, and eventually you'll be able to pry it off. You see, they use those white plastic retainers. And from my experience, those things really attach and don't want to come off. And then you've got your little foam here